The occurrence of black fungus in COVID patients. Given the recent surge in COVID-19 cases in India, a typically rare fungal infection known as mucormycosis has been primarily affecting people recovering from the virus. According to experts, this type of fungal infection, mucormycosis, also known as black fungus, is extremely rare but dangerous. Studies have shown that black fungus is only affecting people whose immune systems have been damaged by the coronavirus infection. The roots of the fungus outbreak are known, but it is suspected that it is partially caused due to the usage of steroid drugs. Keep watching to know what the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, has to say about the black fungus. Black fungus is a life-threatening infection and it has a mortality rate of about 50 to 90%, depending on the severity of the infection. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about the black fungus, the two drugs that are being used to treat it. Keep watching. How was the fungal infection discovered? The black fungus infection was discovered by a Mumbai-based eye doctor, Dr. Akshay Nair, who was operating on a 25-year-old woman who recently recovered from COVID-19. The patient was a diabetic and an ENT specialist was assisting with the operation. A tube was inserted into her nose and the tissues infected by black fungus were being removed. After the ENT finished operating, Dr. Akshay Nair had to remove the patient's eye to save her life. What is black fungus or mucormycosis? CDC reported that the black fungus infection known as mucormycosis is caused by a family of molds called mucormycetes that reside in the soil and other decaying organic matter. In most cases, it is caused by exposure to molds named mucor that are commonly found in soil, plants, manure and other decaying organic matter such as fruits and vegetables. According to Dr. Akshay Nair, sometimes mucors are also found in the mucus of healthy people. Not much is known about the disease and its correlation to COVID-19, but we know that it affects sinuses, the lungs, nose, eyes, and in some cases, the brain. It typically affects immunocompromised individuals such as diabetic patients, cancer patients, and survivors or people who suffer from AIDS and HIV. What causes mucormycosis? According to doctors and medical experts, mucormycosis is triggered by the use of steroids that are generally administered to save the life of COVID patients. Steroids are considered to be a life-saving treatment plan for COVID-19 patients. They reduce inflammation in the lungs and seem to stop the damage that happens when the body's immune system goes into overdrive due to COVID. But steroids can cause a drop in immunity and elevate blood sugar levels. It is anticipated that this drop in immunity is what can trigger black fungus infection or mucormycosis. Till now, around 40 people have contracted mucormycosis in Mumbai, one of the worst hit cities affected by COVID. Many of these patients were also diabetic. However, luckily most of these patients recovered successfully at home and 11 of them lost their eyes. In Bangalore, there have been 19 patients so far, and most of them were young people. Symptoms of mucormycosis. According to the CDC, mucormycosis can have a range of different symptoms depending on the severity and the body parts it affects. If the infection takes place in the brain and the lungs, it can cause symptoms such as nasal or sinus congestion, fever, headache, one-sided swelling of the face. If it only occurs in the lungs, symptoms can range from cough, shortness of breath, chest pain and congestion, etc. The black fungus infection can also affect the digestive system. In that case, the patient can experience abdominal pain, gastrointestinal bleeding, nausea, vomiting, etc. The fungal infection is not contagious in the sense that it spreads from person to person, but it is found in the environment. One can contract the fungal infection by inhaling the mold or coming in contact with them through the soil, compost piles, decaying organic matter, etc. How is black fungus treated? In most black fungus infection cases, patients are recovering successfully on their own at home. There are two drugs that are found to be effective in treating mucormycosis: amphotericin B and posaconazole. These drugs are effective if the black fungus infection is detected in the early stages. But remember that you shouldn't take these drugs on your own without consulting a doctor. In severe cases, the doctor may recommend surgery that will remove the dead or infected tissue. This stops the fungus from spreading. This may include removing parts of your nose or eyes. The surgery may be disfiguring, but it is crucial and till now the only way to save the patient's life. More advanced research and clinical trials are required to understand the black fungus infection. This was everything you needed to know about the black fungus infection. Remember that there is no reason to be frightened. Stay at home and get vaccinated when your time comes.
That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.